Now this illustration deals with the Foyers in accordance with NEC 210.52 L. But notice this could be an entry 2, but what we're illustrating here, when I say entry into a dwelling unit. But notice there's some rules before this receptacle is required. Now, reviewing the illustration, we have a receptacle in that hallway in accordance with 210.52H, because the hallway is greater than 10 foot in length in this case. Now, notice in the little area where they may have popcorn and a little countertop, and they can go into the sitting area and watch a movie, or they have a movie room, a little theater. Notice if you have a countertop and receptacle out there in accordance with 210.52L, then notice that the Foyer is not part of the hallway. It's greater than 60 square foot, and if that is the case, then we would need a receptacle installed. And then, of course, they have one behind the counter for usage there. But there's at least one required in 210.52L, and this rule is when the area is greater than 60 square foot. So electricians have to be aware of this. Designers laying out a set of plans, they have to know the location of these receptacles, where they're required and where they're not required, without the dwelling unit owner wants additional receptacles installed. We're looking at the minimums. And Figure 10-21 is addressing an entry, a Foyer, and areas like that.